Hello people, this is KP and I welcome you all to the 23rd video of this Python series. So today we are going to see about slicing operation. So in Python, slicing operation I'll be explaining with example. But first let me tell you, slicing operation we can perform on string as well as list as well as on tuple. So let me first go with string. String. Okay, so let me write in the way slicing SLICING on string. Okay, so let me declare one string. I'm just taking a variable, suppose a, and I want some long string, maybe automobile. Okay, automobile. So how to check the length? You know the len function, len, length of a. So it is having 10 characters, isn't it? Let me count: 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, having 10 characters. So if I want to just get a, how I can just get a? Just put this square bracket and inside that put the index number 0. So a is the starting, a is the index number 0, so I will get here a. So if I just say okay, let me show you example. I'm just putting a, sorry, this is 0, and putting a colon. After colon I'm putting, suppose maybe 10. Okay, if I now execute, what you are getting? The same string, automobile. So what is the significant of this area, or this whatever elements or whatever numbers colon and 10 is there? I can just print a only, I will get the same thing. So here it is the same, you cannot get the difference. So let me change the example a slide. So I'm taking suppose 0 and colon, then suppose let me go it 8. Now what you can find? You can see it's automobile, not the entire automobile. Why? Let me count here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 characters are there. Starting from index number 0 till 8 characters we are getting here. Suppose now I want to just get auto. So it is starting from index number 0 and it is still character number 4. So how I can get a, then square bracket starting from 0, put a colon and put 4. You can see I got auto. It is not compulsory that the starting value will be always 0. Okay, starting value can be anything. Suppose I want tom. Okay, tom. So what is the index value of t? That is a is 0. Okay, let me do this. A is 0, u is 1, t is 2. So let me start from 2. A starting with 2, then put a colon. I want tom. Okay, so m is the fifth, I think. 0, sorry, this is 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, m is the fifth character of this string, so I will put here 5. Now if I execute, see here I got tom. Okay, this is one thing you can do. Okay, so let me copy the same thing and show some more examples. Suppose I'm putting here colon 10. Now you know the answer will be automobile. If I just put a, then starting from 0 till maybe 15, what you are expecting? What should be the answer? Yes, can you think? Okay, let me execute. So it will be again automobile, and instead of 15, if I just put 1500, you will also get automobile. Why? Because this string is starting from 0, no doubt, but it is containing till here only 10 characters. So if you put any number greater than that, it will like consider only that part only, nothing more than that. For this you can also use this trick, or you can say this feature, only colon. Okay, nothing is there, so you can just do this. It will be also giving the same output, automobile. Okay, So it is recommended, but it is recommended that if you just want to slice something, suppose I want like Tom, then only give the starting index and ending character number. Okay, so if you want to just print the entire string, either you can do just a, you get this, or you can just put starting from 0, or maybe you can just put only colon. That will be also giving the same output. Let me show you. See here, same output, no starting value, no ending value. So let me write here. I can do markdown. Okay, let me write first. So slicing, okay, slicing, it will be something like inside this box, first will be start, then put a colon, then comes stop. Okay, I'm just pressing escape, and now I'm putting M. See here, it becomes markdown. Okay, now just execute, shift plus enter. Suppose now I want it to be a little highlighted. One more I can put. Now shift plus enter. Okay, so this is the value, start and stop. So here I gave nothing as start point, nothing as stop point, so it will just print the entire string. So this is one thing you got to know. Okay, so let me add some more flavor. Okay, so let me copy this. I'm copying this thing, and if I just print it or execute this same command, what you are getting, automobile. Okay, now let me add one more thing. I'm putting another colon, and now I'm putting here 1. If I now execute, see here, you are getting the same output. So what is the significance of this colon and this value? Okay, now let me change the example a bit so that you can identify what is happening here. I'm copied the same thing and pasting it over here, and instead of 1 I'm putting here 2. Okay, now let me execute. See here, I got something different, something weird. What is that? ATMBL. Okay, now let me put again the same thing, but now I'm putting here 3. Let me execute. Now here see, you got something different, AOBE. Okay, so we can do one thing. Let me just switch to Paint software. There I will be explaining this thing. Okay, so where is my Paint? Yes. Okay, I hope now the screen is visible. So let's write. So my word is black color. AUTOMOBILE. Okay, so this is value of A. I am writing, suppose A only single colon, or suppose maybe I'm giving 0 only. So this is the value. Okay, now I am putting A 0 colon, suppose here 10. What it will give? It will give the same output. I'm just putting this symbol. Okay, same output, no changes. Now when I do A, then 0, after colon I'm putting 10. So you know this thing will give this output only. Okay, now here after colon I'm putting 1. If I put 1, you know the same thing will be come up again. Now instead of putting 1, now here I'm putting 2. Okay, let me do that in some other color. I'm putting here 2. So what will be the change? So the change will be, I will start my string from here. This will be my start. Let me write start. This will be my stopping point where I should stop. Okay, and this part is called step. ST. Okay, STEP. This is the step, jumping step you can think. Okay, so let me show you. I will start from 0. Okay, I am changing into green color. So I will be starting from here. So this will be my answer of first. I got A here. Okay, then I will jump 2 step, number 1, then number 2. Now I got here 2, sorry, T. Then I will jump again 2 step. I am doing in the downside. First jump, then second jump. I got here M, ATM. Now again 2 jump. I am doing first jump here, again doing second jump here. I got B, B. Then again 2 jumps. 1, again 2. I got here L. Okay. Now I hope you understood this thing, how I got the answer ATMBL. Okay, let me give an example of 3. Then we will check if our explanation is correct, if you understood in the same way or something different. Let me write the word again. Okay, I'm taking black. Okay, black in color. This will be black. Okay. AUTOMOBILE. Okay. Now I'm changing the question, that is A here. Starting from 0, I'm just putting colon, then I'm going till the end with 3-step jump. Okay, so what will be the answer? Let me change the color to suppose blue here. First I will start with A. So this is my starting index, so I got A as answer. Then I will jump 3 step. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. I got O. I got O. Then again 3 jump. 1, 2, 3. I got B. Then again let me put an arrow mark here, and again 1, 2, 3. Finally I got here E. So this will be my answer, AOBE. So if I put here 2, I will get this. If I put here 3, I will get this. Now let's get back to our Jupyter notebook and let's check. So just remember ATMBL and AOBE. ATMBL and AOBE. Okay, so now we are in Jupyter. See here, the first answer is ATMBL and the second answer is AOBE. Exactly the same. Now I hope you understood how this concept come up. So let me add one more thing. So after one more colon, you can just write step, or yes, stepping count or something like step. Let me write only step. Okay. So I hope you understood this concept also. Anything else I can do? Yes. How to use negative index? I think in some of my video I have explained this thing. Negative index. Let me show you also. So if I just put, let me again print. Here A is automobile. Okay. If I am doing A, inside bracket I am putting -1. So what will be the answer? This is the -1 index. Okay. This is -1. So just if I put A -10, what will be the answer? It is giving A. Why? Starting from here -1, then this is -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. This A is -10. Okay. So how to get the value, entire value? I can just put A bracket starting from -10. Starting from -10 means I'm starting from entire this A, and I'm just putting here or leaving it blank. What it means? The entire string will be printed. Let's check if it is giving the same output or not. Yes, it is printing the same output. Why? Because this is index number -10. So I am starting from A and printing till the last. Okay. So this is the same thing. So similarly, if you just want to print only some part, you can just go with some negative number. Let me give an example. Starting from -10, suppose I want till -4, so it will give only automo. Okay, so this is -4. Okay, so using all these concepts, I'm gonna give you one question, how you can solve. Just think, I have one string, suppose a b c. I want this string to be reversed, c b a. Okay, I want this is my use case, or this is my requirement. Some more codes you can write, but also using this slicing concept, till now whatever I have explained you can also do the same thing, the reverse operation of string. Okay, how I can do, let me give another example. Suppose I will give input as kps, then you will get the output as spk. Okay, now I hope you understood what is called reverse. Now I suggest you guys just pause the video for maybe 2 minutes and just think by yourself, and if you have the Jupyter notebook opened, just go and try by yourself. Okay, so let me give you the solution. Okay, so reverse the string. So let me get another string. Suppose I am taking x equals to suppose e d u c a t i o n, education. Okay, now I want to just reverse. How I can do? Simply I can put x, small x, then I'm putting square brackets, then I'm putting one colon, then again I'm putting one colon, then I'm putting -1. Now if I just execute, what you are getting, see here, this is the reverse of this entire string, isn't it? Yes, it is. How it worked actually? It's starting from this index, and here the ending point is null. I mean not giving any value. It means go till the end of string, but step in -1. Don't go like e then d then u, don't then c then n, nothing like that. Just go in the reverse way, starting from n then o then I, go in reverse way. That is why here I am putting -1. If I just put -2 here, what you can see, n is there, then leaving o you can get I, then leaving t, here we have a, like jumping 2 steps. Okay, so just for reversing the string we can go with -1. Okay, so this is the very simple code in Python only to reverse the string. If you know C, if you know C++ or maybe Java, you know the code or the length of the code or the logic behind the code for string reverse. Okay, so this is very simple thing, nothing much like modules included. Very simple thing in slicing. Using this slicing concept you can just reverse the string. Okay, so till now whatever I have explained, whatever steps, whatever operations I have explained, you can do this everything with list also and tuple also. So let me just give a high level overview how to reverse a tuple. Same thing I am gonna do, reverse a tuple. How to reverse? I'm just taking one tuple. Suppose I'm taking y equals to, this is parenthesis, I'm putting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is my tuple. I want to just reverse it. I will just do y, then put a square bracket, double colon, then -1. See here, I have provided input as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and they are providing me 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Same for the list. I am just copying this entire string and pasting it over here and reverse a list. And I'm putting here square brackets for a list, and the variable should be different, or you can do the same, no problem. I'm putting z, and if you execute you will get the same thing. Okay, So whatever operations in the above I have explained, you can do all these things with list and tuple. Just do it by yourself. One more thing I just want to explain you here, that if you go with set, suppose I have a set, suppose s equals to, putting in curly braces, 1 2 and 3. Now you just want to reverse it using slicing. That is not possible. Why? Let me show you. I am putting colon colon minus 1. See here, it's giving some error. Why? Because set is set does not maintain the index number. Like in the list, the index number of 1 is fixed, that is 0. But in the set, it is not compulsory that always at index number 0 1 will come. That is why in set, this reverse function, or this reverse reverse operation is not possible using this, what I can say, slicing operation. Okay, slicing concept you cannot use to reverse the set. Same for the dictionary. Okay, let me show an example. I am taking one variable as d, just putting, suppose, name. My name is KP, putting a comma, then go to I am putting location. My location is, suppose I am from India, IN, then putting a comma. Then one more thing, suppose I want to put, that is called my marks. Suppose my marks is 99. Okay, so this is a dictionary. Now if I do the same thing with a dictionary, d colon colon minus 1, you will again see the error. So it is giving some type error, that is some unhashable type, that is called slice. Why you are getting this error? Because values in Python dictionary can be sliced like a list. Why? Because dictionary are having custom key value pairs, they are not having index values. Okay, so it is not having index value, so you cannot like slice. This is called slicing step. This step is applied upon the index values, but in the dictionary you don't have a index value. This is the key value pair, this is the key and this is the value. So that is why it is not applied on dictionary also. So you cannot apply this thing on dictionary as well as on set. Rest you can go with string, list and tuple. That's all guys about slicing operations. I hope you have understood and got a clear picture of what is slicing and all. Okay, that's all guys. Just practice all this concept till now, and till then stay safe, stay healthy, and bye bye.